san phongot ki samla kan thei bat shinrang ki badang khlaiñ ka bormet changlai teligi college hari boy bakan thop ya ka ri boy college Palawan college bat ka ri boy C not college ki la pendap ya ka program jinghikai pashitiyo lenter banlong kum ki apta mitra volunteers ne ki nongyarap abadan kanu ki jingja ni jingsha ling shop hagi bor mariang kita kisan phongut ki samla ki deiru ki kenhun ban ningkong ban pendap yakate ka jinghikai apo ka yuva abda mitra scheme bala pelong da state disaster management authority Meghalaya bat ka district disaster management authority Riboy district bat yakite kisan phongut lapen ko buram menda ka singi ha ka jingilang kabala rong ha Riboy college akate ka singi ka jingben ko buram lawan ru panishim benta da u abilash baranwal deputy commissioner ka Riboy district kumukong san ha ka jingnon lang ka kong B Rani ADC but CEO ka DDMA ba J Mautho DDMO Riboy district ba BK Swear deputy controller cum training coordinator YAMS civil defense Nongpo ka kong E Kharkongor principal ka Riboy college pat kiwe ka thong jong kate ka program jinghikai ka long ban hikai ya ki samla ki badai ki dukhat jong ka NSS ba kintip ya ki jingtip ba kong san kumno ban pynkhreh abadan kanu ka jingja ne ka jingling shop mariang bat ki la jingeta ki ba khamat badai pande bat kane kan yarap shibon ya katana disaster abadan kanu ka jingja ka ba kirke nakaliang udisi ka Riboy abakra nakate ka singlong pakate ka program ka long badan kam nakabenta ka imlang ka salang bat kerpat ikisamla bakin panan kam hok jinghikai ka ba kilayo bat pen im yaki mensim brio akapor badan ka jingja haba kilit phai she ki shinong ki thau bat kermen scam bakate ka jinghikai ka nong shisha ka jingman toy akapor badan kam ka jingerap bakirke.
You have been given exposure to the different kinds of calamities, the different kinds of disasters that can potentially hit our district, and the tools and the skills that you have learned during this period will not only be handy to you, it will be something which will be of great utility to the entire district administration in pressing times. I'm sure that you all are going to be extremely crucial resources for the localities, for the villages, as well as for the entire district. My only request to you is that whatever you have learned over here, I hope that you do not have to use that, but nevertheless, try and somehow be in touch with the skill sets that you have learned. Otherwise, whether it is how to tie a knot, how to basically tie bandages, small details you will start forgetting, and thereafter, probably 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, you might end up forgetting most of the things that you have learned over here. So it is extremely crucial that you practice these skills whenever you get an opportunity. And how are you going to get an opportunity? Is basically to make yourself available for any localized crisis at your locality. If you see any small fire incident of your services, if you see any unfortunate, let's say, near drowning incident, or maybe a small landslide, a forest fire. Forest fire is something that will be extremely critical for the district going in, the upcoming times. So whenever you see an opportunity coming your way, don't feel shy, don't hesitate, utilize the skills that you have been taught, because these are the skills that you should not think that it's only going to be of utility to society. It's something that can be impacted, a difference between life and death in pressing circumstances, not just for the society as a large, but even in your personal settings. So please take these skills seriously, offer your services, offer your skilled services now whenever it is possible, and I hope that the future batches of the outcome will be as skilled as the first batch, and their success stories will be serving as a testimony to inspire the other batches as well. My congratulations to DDMA, of whose CEO is Rani, and the DDMA for successfully organizing the Outcome program.